Hey, what's up? Today is Friday, October 4th. My name is Aaron and let's get on into the charts. I want to call your attention to why the market is trending bullish this morning. We did get a jobs report or unemployment rate report at 4.1%, beating expectations of 4.2, which is absolutely bullish, guys. As long as we stay under 4.4% unemployment, we are not going to likely see a recession, and the Fed can continue to lower rates, but probably in a slower manner, guys. If we look at the Fed Watch, it is now 91% chance, or people are calling out a 91% chance that we'll see a 25 basis cut in November instead of a 50 basis point cut in November, as this was about 50-50 last week, maybe even a little higher, like 60-40 in favor of a 50 basis point cut. So I do think, honestly, this is bullish, guys, with a soft landing coming into the jobs report market. I do think this is overall great for all markets, though a 50 basis point cut in November would be amazing. Let's see how things go over October and into November. November 7th being just a couple days after the election, guys, this could be massively bullish depending on who gets into office. Getting into Bitcoin, guys, we did have a pump this morning of almost 2% on Bitcoin before a little bit of pullback already. Money flow is still coming out of Bitcoin, though I do think bullish trajectory is on the horizon, especially if we can get some indication of what's going on in the Middle East. Now, I know some large institutions are definitely waiting until the elections to really dive deep into Bitcoin and the crypto markets, but we should get some bullishness out of October here shortly, guys, as I do think it is time for the market to run. Ethereum bouncing off of this upward trending support here. This is the higher lows that we've seen over the last month or so. And if we continue to go up here, I do think this will hold up and be validated here. My next targets for Ethereum, guys, are 2,800, maybe even 2,850 to knock out the previous lower high. But if we can get above the 2,700 range, we'll definitely be in an uptrend. BNB just up a little bit today. We did have a nice pump, but are correcting currently, though money flow seems to be rounding out on this, and I'm excited to see this head up and to the right again. I do think we could see this happening shortly, and we'd be on our way back up into the 600s. Solana up 1% as of right now, did get up over 2%, guys, as we saw the bullishness come into the market early this morning. We do need to take out this descending line of resistance here in order to get a breakout. And then we need to get above 162 in order to confirm the uptrend on Solana, though we have some nice divergence here as we are seeing higher lows. SWI looking fantastic this morning, up 3.36%, as high as 7%. We had a nice correction yesterday, down about 12% overall. We corrected more than half of that early this morning, and we'll see what happens with the markets the rest of the day. Whale money flow is continuing to come out of SWI right now. Could dump down further on us. If you're not into SWI yet, guys, I do recommend waiting for a nicer endpoint here at around $1.40. Though we may not see that, as the 21 EMA is continuing above this line. And if we see that come above and stay above, we likely will just correct to it and bounce off like a diving board. Trunk continues its downtrend, guys, sitting just above 15 cents, down 0.36% today. But I wouldn't be surprised if we get a little pump, especially with a little bit of whale money flow coming back into the market. We're in that range, guys, where we do see uptrends in Trunk. Bitcoin dominance is retracing, looking at possibly making the first lower high in some time, guys. After seeing 58.58 dominance, guys, I do think we may have seen a lower high for the first time in a while, looking at 58.2%. If we continue to come down on this, this could mean that we're in a downtrend for Bitcoin dominance, which is ultra bullish for the alts. GNME dropped yesterday to a low of 48 cents, but has had a nice recovery all the way up to 62 cents right now. I do think we could see a similar pattern here where we have a dump and a pump here. So looking forward to seeing 80 cents in the very near future for GNME. All right, guys, the name of the game is to continue to rock the plays. DCA into Trunk using Pancake swap on the BNB chain, as well as Jupiter swap on Solana. Get into SWI and Cetus on the SWI chain, guys, using that Google Chrome extension. And then get yourself into our partnership with GNME, a mining game on the Solana chain. Make sure to check out the links below, guys, where I show you how to get into GNME by depositing some SOL to start mining some passive income in GNME. With that, that's all we have for this week, guys. We'll see you on Monday. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. Continue to follow the plays. Be careful of any FUD over the weekend. Buy those dips up, guys, and have a great day. God bless.